Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the Aetherion Bait quest in Fish It. So as you know, there's a new update in here in Fish It, and here you can get a new bait by completing the quest at the crystal depths to unlock the Aetherion Bait. And I'm going to show you through this video where you can start or activate the quest. So first you need to go to the Pirate Cove and go down to the crystal depths. And once you're in the crystal depth, you can just talk to this ant species right here. And it's called the Gastly Pirate. So just interact with the Gastly Pirate and ask for the crystalline secret quest. Okay, and once you do that, the crystalline secrets quest will start. In here there are five missions that you need to complete. You need to do. First one, you need to own an element road. So I've already had one in here, and on a singularity bait. And then you need to catch a cursed kraken, catch an L pirate grand maja, and the next one, catch a mythic fish with crystallized mutation. So you need to complete these 5 missions to get the reward, which is the Aetherion Bait. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.